What's up, everyone? Well, this is my Dillon Square Deal B. Today I'm going to talk about the primer retaining pin. I have a lot of talking about this particular machine because I don't know, it looks like it was some kind of experimental model or something, or I just got bad luck because I had all kind of problem with it. So first of all, if you look closely, you will see the system. This would be the spring that pushes the retaining pin, but if you analyze the force it's making, imagine that it's plastic and it's pretty soft. I don't know what kind of plastic it is. Looks like PVC or something. When it's all the way back like this, what happened to me particularly, it was some kind of jamming, and I was wondering why is this happening. And I had primer loading problems and stuff, and you have to recheck every ammunition if you have your primer in its place and stuff, and well, you get tired finally. So what I did was making my own retaining pin. It looks like insignificant part, but it can make you feel very bad. Well, first of all, the retaining pin is 3.07 millimeters. The hole inside the machine is 3.30. So what I did was take a drill bit of 3.25 and manufacture my own retaining pin of steel. Well, in this case it's high-speed steel. Well, there is no way it's gonna get stuck or something because it's polished. If you see the color, it's a little bit blue. It's because I had to heat it to make it wider on its point to avoid lose it inside. So it's a kind of stopping expansion. So on this video I won't be able to show you the shape, but well, I made it on purpose because when I was putting in the wrong hole, sounds like porn. This thing doesn't push it straight inside. What it does is like breaking it a little bit and pushing it. So I don't know what happens with the designer of this machine and why did he decide to do it that way. Maybe he's smarter than me and he has its own reason, but I really don't find one. Another thing I've done was changing a little bit just deforming a little bit the point of this. I don't know what the hell is that. It can be some kind of spring, a pusher, I don't know. Now with this modification I could solve completely the jamming problem of of my primers. A little bit of oil, and well, to avoid the metal to go tired, you know. And well, that's it. Next time I will talk about my modification I've done here. If you see there, well, originally they are made from bronze, and the original part, just wait a second, I'll show you. It just broke. Yes, it broke that way. It's expanded now. You can see I was forcing it with a tool to expand, but it just failed. One day I was making some reloads, and well, it just failed. It just cracked. If you see, this aluminum is not some kind of high quality. It's just a lowest quality aluminum you can find. It's a mixture of you know, sometimes it's called like pot metal. You can find it on Wikipedia. It's like you know, recycled aluminum from garbage. Okay, I paid $1,000 for that. Can't you use some kind of higher quality metal, please? Well, so I've made one of steel. Thanks God I have a workshop. Well, don't look at this. It's I have to clean it a little bit. Not a problem at all. So that's it. If you have this kind of problem, consider of getting a drill bit. Consider to respect the original length of the retaining pin. The diameter must be 3.25 millimeters. Just a common drill bit, the cheapest drill bit will do the job, because there is no any kind of you know, force to resist. I will try to focus on this. It will be a little bit difficult. Wait. On one side you can see it's kind of black. Well, in this point, if you touch it with your finger, you will feel, you know, it's like scratchy. It's well, it's after doing a lot of job, being forced, you know, like that, and push it. So it had this. You know, scratchy thing, and it was jamming. So on next video I will show you how did I make my this modification. Both are made for by me. I have a workshop, thanks God. I have all kind of tools. I know what happens with this machine. I really don't know. It's pretty low quality. So to avoid jamming of our national production primers, that, well, I must say they're pretty crappy too. I have to add some extra weight to this rod. I always use this thing. Now for the video I removed it. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video and I helped someone to solve the problem. Take care.